Princess Robin, what is this sound?
Why, that is a little pig.
Princess Clara, Princess Robin got her sound right. Why don't you tell us? What is this sound?
Well, I would have to guess that is a goat.
Princess Leela, what sound is this?
I've heard this before. I believe it is a donkey.
Prince Hector, can you tell me what this sound is? I believe that is a turkey. King Noble, can you tell us what this sound is? Why, of course I can. You gotta know these things when you're a king, you know. That is a bull, if I've ever heard one. Thank you very much, Your Majesty. We'll leave you alone now. Bye!